guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be cleaning the backyard and the back porch. So I am taking you guys along with me because I have never posted a video like this. So we had a lot of fun. We like to go outside as a family and like clean up the doggy poo and mowing the lawn and kind of cleaning this area all together just because it gets us out of the house and doing something. So that is what we're doing here, and we're going to share it with you guys. So the first thing I'm doing is taking off the cushions, and we are going to be hosing those down because they are covered with like Arizona dust and dirt and all of that stuff. And mind you, it is like super hot out when we're doing this, over 100 degrees. That is our average here, and it got hot really quick. So right now I'm just picking up all of the trash that was everywhere.
Silent treatment ain't no cure, just making it harder. Keep on acting busy on your phone. I just wanna feel your touch.
And then we're gonna go ahead and sweep the patio. So we are going to hose down the patio, but I want to sweep it first just to make sure there's like no dirt, because if I hose it down with all of this dust and dirt, it's gonna turn into mud.
I think we're losing the reason.
If you're new to my channel, you guys, consider checking out some of my videos down below in the description box, and consider subscribing to my channel if you like my videos. I would love to have you.
Like the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathe on me, you're catching fire.
And I wanted to let you know that I'm actually going to be having daily videos coming out for the next 2 weeks, Monday through Friday. It's only going to be for the next 2 weeks. I have a lot of awesome videos coming your guys' way, and 2 giveaways and some awesome collabs with some awesome YouTubers here on YouTube. So I hope you guys don't get too swamped with all my videos, but I'm super excited to share. And then after that, I will go back to my regular schedule after the 2 weeks. There's little Ava stomping her feet. She's just following us around. So my husband is doing a little bit of the spraying, and he's just spraying off the grill. We're just gonna do a quick clean. I am gonna take a product and clean it, but for now we're just kind of getting that top layer of dirt and dust and stuff sprayed off first. And the same with the windows. I'll go in and clean the windows, but right now we just kind of want to water everything down and get it kind of as clean as possible.
I know we could have been better. You look so pretty.
And the nice thing about it being super hot here is that we can just lay everything out on the ground and it dries super fast. So right here we are hosing down in the cracks because we're trying to get that dirt build up. There's just so much in there. So we're just kind of like power pressuring it, but with the hose.
This is not my time, but still it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, loving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already.
So now I'm going to go ahead and take my Clean Packs spray. It's a concentrate and it's non-toxic, so we're going to go ahead and spray the glass here. And then Ava's helping out too, because she always loves to help clean.
Think you're addicted to drama. It keeps you sleeping at night. Keep losing your on my problems. You know that something ain't right. Blaming me for causing your insanity.
So now we're going to go in with the Weeman stainless steel wipes, and we're going to wipe down this barbecue grill. So let me know if you guys would be interested in me posting a video, a Stitch Fix unboxing video. I actually just ordered from them for the first time recently, and I shared it on my Instagram stories, and it was so fun doing on like a try-on haul and unboxing. So if you want to see that here on my YouTube channel, just let me know in the comments. I would love to share that with you because I will be having another box sent soon.
I know that you know
So now we're gonna go ahead and just clean off the windows. I just basically do my own windows here at home. We've only been living here less than a year, for those of you that don't know, so we haven't had anyone come out and clean the windows. We just clean them ourselves. And then Ava was being so cute here. She was trying to talk to me, but it looked so funny. I didn't know what she was saying. She actually does that often. So we're just like, okay, blah, 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 blah.
You already messed it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, got me romance in the madness. You got me good, baby.
All right, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick cleaning motivation video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It always helps out my channel. I love you guys, and please go ahead and say hello down in the comments, and I will meet you there. Bye.